Got some killer deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way you to roast the platform by subscribing and like. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, we're shopping at the Lowe's. We're going to be looking at some clearance deals and some tool deals. They still got these deals, the buy one get one free. I believe not exactly at stores, but they do have this at this store. They do have a different buy BOGO deal. I'll show you guys that right now. $24.98 for this tape measure. This tape measure, I don't know if I'm holding it wrong, but I'm not able to get the bottom part out unless you have like a nail or something to get it out. So you got the 40 piece. That 40 piece is actually cheaper in other stores, so be on the lookout for that one. I seen it as low as $5. 40 piece Ouija for $19 was $29. It's a nice set, 40 piece. I really like the longer bits, so that's a plus on that one. And then we got the $16.99 for the DeWalt hats. They still got some of these around. I don't really see a lot of these, but you got the camel here on this one. You got a black and gray at the bottom. All right, so these are the new deals that they got going on. This is the power stack deals. You buy the power stack set, get a free tool. You got the buy more, save more. That's the flex. So you spend $500, get $150 off. Spend up to $499, get $80. Spend up to $399, get $30. So that's a really good deal on that one. So definitely check it out. And then $179. Remember, guys, there's a glitch going on this one. So $179, that is a new lower price. Plus, you got the buy more, save more on top of that. So killer deals comes down to $129. I know a lot of you guys bought them, but they're still out there at the stores. They're still able to hack this or combine them with other buy more, save more deals at the flex. But yeah, they do come down to $129 after all the savings, all the stack savings. All right, so $79 for this. This one's actually on clearance there, and then you got the new lower price. Was $219 down to $179, $59 down to from $79. That's a 2 amp hour battery. And then this one was another glitch, guys. There's a whole bunch of glitches that went on. This one's already over though. There was a few hours. A lot of these rotary hammers at the Lowe's were like really cheap. So you got the buy more, save more, spend $450, save $150, or way out $150, and so forth. These are on clearance. These are all bits are on clearance. Make sure you guys, I'm not going to go over all these because obviously there's a whole bunch of these, but I'm just going to show you guys a few here. Yes, buy one, get one free. So you buy that $189 kit with the Power Stack Twin Pack, get a free tool. Obviously, some of these are brush tools. I like the circular saw, the impact wrenches, 3/8 and half an inch. The impact driver is pretty nice. The oscillating tool, the sander, the reciprocating saw is pretty nice, and the rotary hammer. That one's a good one to get. So definitely check this one out. This is a really good deal for $199. And then this one's it's kind of like the power stack and the $599 down from $649. So you're saving about $50 on this one. So it's a 7 tool combo kit. This is the XR. Then this one's a $32.98 down from $39.98. This is a cargo, a 16-inch cargo bag or tool bag. So that's pretty nice. That's a Cobalt. I mean, they got this one to $3.90. Is that from $9.98? This is 18-piece Apex. So, yeah. Check it out for $3. That's a pretty good deal on that one. So, make sure you guys look up on your Lowe's and see if you see this these deals. Pick up a few extras for the year. Gloves, guys. Major discount on gloves. $8.49 down from $16.98. These are really nice gloves. I do have some. I do have still mine from last year. Pretty nice. I really like this brand. $4, and this one's down to $13 from $26. So pretty good deals. They might be missed and matched because they're all over the place, but you guys do have to look at. You got the buy one get one free. Buy a DeWalt 12-volt bare tool and get a free starter kit. So that's a really good deal on this one too if you're looking to get into the 12-volt DeWalt. And then they got this one, $449 for the 5-tool combo kit. And then this is the clearance section. This one was $4.99. It is down to $300. This is a laser level. It's one of the bigger ones. This 360 rotary laser level kit with rolling laser receiver. So that's for the bigger jobs there. You got $5 down from $14.98. Some nice gloves. Some more gloves on clearance. This is pretty nice. They do got some protect your knuckles there. The Tic Tac box combo sets, $7.97. So you got a few of them there down to on clearance. And this is the clearance section, by the way. So this one was $2.79 down from $1.75. It is a Boss Stitch roofing nailer. And then they got this one. This is a Cobalt 64 piece plus 28 piece 3-in-1 mechanics tool set. So that's all included there. I guess they had the other piece at the bottom, the other tool set attached. 16 down from $17.98. This is I couldn't read it. Diamond Blade 2-count $31 down from $39 from Spider. Universal cutoff wheel. And you got the 10-inch sliding compound miter saw down to $228 down from $269. And that is it right there. And then they got, this is the new setup that they got for the Eagle. So a whole bunch of new like setup that they got going on here. The whole row is pretty much Eagle and Cobalt and Skill. So they got 3 different tiers. They got top, middle, and low. Obviously the top one's going to be the most expensive, but it is the most powerful. This one's 765 CFM. That is a lot. But this one, I would say this one's even good. The 670, even the 600, the lower tier. I think these are all pretty good tools. You don't have to spend the maximum amount unless you have a big yard or you do that professionally. Down to $437 from $1548. Some reciprocal style blades. You got some wireless earbuds. You got different brands there. This was down to $24 from $25. And then you got this one down to $14 from $17. So they got different prices. This is just a whole bunch of stuff here. I'm not going to go over everything, like I said. 2-piece flex side track. Now these do not fit on the pack out. Just to let you know, these do fit on the pack out. The holder, yeah, the level holder does fit on the pack out. You guys want to check out my video? I did put some of those on my pack out. They got a bunch of spark plugs here. You got an edge blade, Black & Decker. So if you need a blade for the edger, you got a scraper set there for $16.57. A 21-inch drive, $15.97. You got AC grip 25-foot tape measure down to $13 from Craftsman. You got Coleman chiller, $23 down from $32, so that's pretty good, or at least not that bad. They got some walkie-talkies if you guys like to go off-roading, or 21 down from 26. Alright, so they got the weed whacker and the blower for $134 on clearance, down from $269. That's a pretty good deal. 2 tools for a medium-sized yard to larger size. That's pretty good. The blower is not going to be the most powerful, but it'll get the job done. Like I said, medium size. You got the AC finder, circuit finder breaker thing, $33. As a matter of fact, I just used mine for my last project here at the house, and that thing was very, very useful. Not that one specifically, but you got the pressurized sprayer. This is it with the 2 amp hour battery. Craftsman without down to 134 was $149. Guys, we got some major discounts on these boxes. Make sure you guys give it a look there. On clearance, guys, down to $215, down from $269. That's a 26-inch. Make sure you guys keep your eye on these boxes, guys. Some of these are gonna go down really, really low. Last year I believe it was a 52-inch for around this price. So keep an eye out. Definitely keep an eye out. This one's 27-inch, the bottom, for $296, down from $329. Like I said, a lot of these are gonna go down in price. Same thing with these bags. Well, at least not that I know of. Nobody has one of these. $99 for the rolling tool bag. And then they got these Cobalt, guys, on clearance down to 39 from 49. This is a good quality backpack. Same thing with this bag. This is a really solid backpack or bag, down to 26 from 32. I'm pretty sure these are gonna drop even lower. And they got the cobalts here for 32, down for 39. That's pretty good stuff. And then they got these gloves down to 348 from 996. Extra grip. The green and blue, so cut series. Then they got the oils, the Fram filters. Some of these are on clearance. Like I said, I'm not gonna. There's a whole bunch of these on clearance. I'm not gonna go over all these because it'll take forever. But I got the oil too. Some of the oils are on clearance, so make sure you guys check that out. See if you find that your own oil. Castrol's. So different ones, and then you got this interior brush there for $487. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.